Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 app temporarily unavailable error. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try switching between them to rule out network issues. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the N26 app, swipe it away, completely closing it, and then wait for a few while and reopen it. After that, restart your device to clear the temporary glitches. Then, go to your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install the latest update. Sometimes servers may be under maintenance. Try again after a few minutes. Avoid VPN while using the app for smoother connection. That's how to fix the N26 app temporarily unavailable error. Subscribe for more tech and banking fixes.